Yes, I have just woken up. Yes, my hair, I haven't straightened it in a few days actually. But I did have my eyebrows threaded yesterday, and as you can see, the tattoo ink has stayed so well. And she literally just like went under and over and in the middle, and I'm so happy with them. What you guys have all been waiting for, here we go. So I don't know if I've worked out my DPO right, but this is literally my last cheap pregnancy test of the cassette ones, and then I've just got like the normal dipstick ones. But I did have those 2 lines on the other 2, but it was after the time limit. And I'm taking this one out the bin because you guys were like, I can see a faint line. I don't think there's a line there at all. No line there at all. Matt, can you parent the kids, please? They sound very delightful this morning. Okay, so I've got my dropper test here. I'm just going to pop that down on the side. My urine is out of view. 1, 2, 3. So there's the control line just there coming up. I will leave it flat so it can develop. So whilst I wait for that, I will quickly give you guys an update on Charlie's speech. So going back, oh God, like 6 months ago, we realised that he wasn't developing his speech like, for example, Harry was. And I know it's really difficult not to kind of compare the children, but with Harry, he was saying sentences by now. So obviously you do kind of worry, and also friends' children who are of similar age or even younger than Charlie, and they're talking and he's not. I've actually got a little clip of him saying all the words that he knows, but that's literally what he's limited to. Like, he doesn't say anything other than like these few group of words. Say mama. Mama. Say dada. Dada. Say digger. Digger. Say kaka. Say ball, goal. What other words do you know? Can you say Harry? Harry. Mama. Harry. Harry. Thank you. Can you say... What other words do we want to say? Can you say cat? Can you say dog? Dog. Good morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Can you say dog? Can you say monkey? Monkey. What else can you say? Can you say train? It does make that noise. Good boy. Can I have a kiss? Where's Charlie's nose? Where's Charlie's eyes? Where's Charlie's ears? Where's Charlie's mouth? Where's Mummy's nose? Where's Mummy's eyes? Where's Mummy's ears? Where's Mummy's mouth? Have a kiss. Now Dada's turn. Where's Daddy's nose? Where's Daddy's eyes? Where's Daddy's ears? Where's Daddy's mouth? Boy.
Where's Daddy's teeth?
Where's Daddy's teeth? So let me know what you think down in the comments below of what your children have been through. I've also just filled out a speech and language therapy form and written everything down that I can think of. But he wasn't a babbler as a baby. Like, Harry would sit there and be like with his toys and what have you. But Charlie just used to sit there just quiet, like looking around. Like, he never was a chatty baby at all. So I think that maybe that has something to do with it. Please leave me comments down below and let me know what you guys, of yours experiences. Okay, Ugh, my vision is I feel like I'm getting a migraine. I think I can see something coming up. I don't know if it's pink though. It looks kind of grey. Okay, I'm going to have to leave this for a little while and then I'm going to have to come back. Hi ladies! Okay, so I had to take the kids to school and then get a McDonald's breakfast, but I am back. So let's have a look at this. It's like a grey line. To be honest, I don't have a lot of hope for this cycle. I'm thinking it's a negative. What do you guys think? Leave me comments down below because I'm pretty sure that's negative. I can't keep looking at it anymore. It literally drives you insane, right? So I'll be doing a pregnancy test video tomorrow. I'm going to be having to use this one from the Superdrug brand because I've run out of cheapies. So subscribe to me for free to carry on following my journey. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye ladies!